The book of Psalms, chapter 118. Oh, give thanks to YAHUAH, for he is good, because his loving commitment is everlasting. Let Yahshar'el now say, his loving commitment is everlasting. Let the house of Aaron now say, his loving commitment is everlasting. Let those who fear YAHUAH now say, his loving commitment is everlasting. I called on Yah in distress. Yah answered me in a broad place. YAHUAH is on my side. I do not fear what man does to me. YAHUAH is for me among those helping me. Therefore I look on those hating me. It is better to take refuge in YAHUAH than to trust in man. It is better to take refuge in YAHUAH than to trust in princes. All the nations surrounded me. In the name of YAHUAH I shall cut them off. They surrounded me. Yes, they surrounded me. In the name of YAHUAH shall I cut them off. They surrounded me like bees. They were extinguished like burning thorns. In the name of YAHUAH I shall cut them off. Pushing the enemy pushed me to fall, but YAHUAH helped me. Yah is my strength and song, and he has become my deliverance. The voice of rejoicing and deliverance is in the tents of the righteous. The right hand of YAHUAH is doing mightily. The right hand of YAHUAH is exalted. The right hand of YAHUAH acts mightily. Let me not die but live and declare the works of Yah. Yah has punished me severely, but did not give me over to death. Open to me the gates of righteousness. I enter through them. I thank Yah. This is the gate of YAHUAH. The righteous enter through it. I thank you, for you have answered me and have become my deliverance. The stone which the builders rejected has become the chief cornerstone. This was from YAHUAH. It is marvelous in our eyes. This is the day YAHUAH has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I pray, O YAHUAH, please save us now. I pray, O YAHUAH, please send prosperity. Blessed is he who is coming in the name of YAHUAH. We shall bless you from the house of YAHUAH. YAHUAH is El, and he gave us light. Bind the festival offering with cords to the horns of the slaughter place. You are my El, and I praise you. You are my Elohim, I exalt you. Give thanks to YAHUAH, for he is good, for his loving commitment is everlasting. Give thanks to YAHUAH, for he is good, for his loving commitment is everlasting.